Thank you. Yeah, I've got a maths paper here.
Right, here we go then, Nathan. We've got a question coming. Go on.
Yeah. Diagram shows. Probably this one I was trying to have a go at before.
So is that is it two triangles?
It's yeah, it's two triangles. The diagram shows distances by road between 4 cities. Yeah.
Okay. Is that Newcastle at the top?
Yeah.
Newcastle. Hull.
Yeah.
Liverpool.
Yeah, and then Bristol.
And Bristol down the bottom there. Yeah, so it's part of the kind of the road network in the UK.
Yeah. And then it that's the questions here.
And what does it tell us on the distances, Jack?
Yeah, it says that from Newcastle to Hull, it's 145 miles.
Right, so stop right there. It's measuring in miles.
Yeah.
Yes, okay, go on, keep going.
And then from Hull to Bristol, it's 220 miles.
Okay.
And then from Newcastle to Liverpool, it's 175 miles.
Okay.
And then we need to find out the distance from Liverpool to Bristol. Yeah, from Liverpool to Bristol. So we need to find that out.
This is going to be a distance, you don't know what it is. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to call that distance X because I don't know what it is.
Okay, yeah. X.
Be daring. Okay.
And it says Sam drives from Newcastle to Hull and then from Hull to Bristol. Tim drives from Newcastle to Liverpool and then.
Hang on.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to track with it. What's the first person called?
Sam.
Sam, right. So Sam is in red.
Yeah, okay.
Sam drives from Newcastle to Hull.
To Hull, yeah.
And then from Hull to
Bristol.
Right, so that red line, you see that okay?
Yeah, definitely.
That red line is Sam's journey.
Okay, Sam's journey.
Sam. Okay, go on. Who else is driving?
Journey. And then Tim.
Tim.
Drives from Newcastle to Liverpool.
Okay.
And then from Liverpool to Bristol.
Right.
And then it says Sam drives 10 more miles than Tim.
So this is Tim in green, yes?
Yeah.
Sam is going to drive
10 more miles than Tim. So that's Tim. 2.
Sam drives 10 more miles than Tim.
Yeah.
So can I figure out how far Sam has driven? Is it the red route?
Yes.
Sam's journey.
Yeah. Sam's journey. Yeah, that Sam did the red route.
Yeah, so that's going to be 145 to get to Hull.
Yeah.
And then another 250
Yes.
to get to Bristol, yes?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the total distance that Sam drives, start on the right hand side.
Yeah.
5 miles.
365.
0 miles. Yeah. 4 10s, add 2 10s. 6 10s. 100, add 200.
300s.
Right. So Sam has driven a total of 300. See, equal symbol here.
Yeah.
365 miles, hasn't he?
Yeah.
What was that information you were told about Tim? Or about, what was that information?
Sam drives 10 more miles than Tim.
10 more?
Yeah, 10 more. So
Sam drives 10 more. So this distance here is 10 more
than Tim.
Tim does. So should we do 10?
So 355.
Hang on, what's Tim's in? Hang on. Be 175 add X.
So we can work out what that is now. Yeah. So it's
Well, that would be 175. So do you know how far that's going to be?
yeah. Well, Tim must have gone 355 miles
Awesome. Why? Why is that 355?
because Sam did 365 miles,
Which is
10 more than Tim.
yeah.
So Tim must have done
Okay.
355. So then 355 take away 175. will give us-
Fabulous. So let's do that then. Ready?
Yeah, 300. Yeah, there we go. 355.
Right now, that's on. We're going straight into what we've been practicing here now.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 miles. Take away 5 miles.
0
Can do that.
miles.
0 miles. 5 tens. Take away 7 tens. That's on. That's important,
8.
isn't it?
Yes. So you have to cross off the 3, put a 2, add the 1 to the 5, 15.
Right. Slow down. We've just been doing this, Jack. Actually. So that's on. What would we say there?
300.
35 tens.
Yeah.
So 35. Listen to this now, Jack, for a second. That's on. What would we say? 35 the same as
2015.
2015. So we go 20, 15. Jack, that's why we do it.
Yes. Yeah. I put that.
Because
there,
look,
yeah.
35, we're right up here so you can see it. 35. Can you see that okay? It's a bit small.
Yeah. Yeah. Very clear.
35 same as 20 and 15, isn't it?
Yes.
So that then means when I write down the number 35,
Yeah.
we write that in this funny way, funny counting, funny writing, as 2015. So
Right.
a second ago, Jack, you said it's a 2 and a 1. Well, it isn't a 2 and a 1.
No.
This
Yeah.
is 20 tens, and that's
110.
110, isn't it?
110. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why that then becomes 15 there.
Yeah. And then 15 takes
Tens take away 7 tens.
8. 10.
8 tens.
10. Tens.
200 take away 100.
100.
100.
The 180. Okay.
So that means from the word you've said is that x must have the same value as 180 miles.
Miles.
Because you have to put that unit on the end. Is it the exam, the answer space for the answer, does it have the unit miles there already?
Yeah. Yeah, it has it there already.
So don't write miles.
No. Just
Kind of treating it a bit like a muppet. They don't think you write that down and remember that.
Yeah. It
Okay.
has it there.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Okay,
Thank
good.
you.